Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Out at Yate today, not very much to find at all. In fact, most of what's in this bag I bought in The Works, which is a, well, bargain store I suppose. I bought this little plastic swing top waste bin because I had a request from somebody to make a radio controlled waste bin. So we'll have a look at that. I also bought these in The Works, crystal growing kits. So no doubt I shall do some time-lapse photography of them. It'll be interesting to see what size crystals we actually get. I've used these sort of kits before, well, different versions, and the crystals are tiny. But the picture looks big, so if they end up anything like as big as that, I'll be very impressed. I'd imagine they've just got some sort of colouring in them to make them different colours. They're probably exactly the same inside. But then the actual charity shop item was this. One of those wire controlled cars, just goes forwards and backwards. Underneath it's got the loose steering so that in reverse it'll go off to one side and forwards it goes straight. And I think I may well convert that to radio controlled just because I can. But we'll put a battery in it first just to see if it works as it is. Well, looking inside, it clearly has had corroded batteries in there at some time. A couple of AA batteries. And forwards works. Oh yeah, reverse works if I wiggle it a bit. Not very well though, because the little button's broken off. It doesn't want to go in reverse at all. That part of it works, it must just be this rocker's a bit past it. Well, it's broken anyway, isn't it? That really should work. Alright, let's see if that helps. Yeah, just put a bit of extra spring in it by bending those metal springs. Okay, I'll put that back together, try it on the floor. Yeah, that works. Just another look at it. There's no manufacturer's name on there. All it says underneath is made in China. Go and Malibu Drive. Looks very much like one of those ones on the old Outrun computer game. 602545. Just looked at the hand controller. There we are, Radio Shack Tandy. Manufactured in China, imported.